Welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are we're actually at Niagara Falls.
Yay!
So the falls that's behind us is part of the Niagara Falls. It's
American Falls.
American Falls and Bridal Falls. There's actually a hiking tour that you take a elevator down and then you hike up this platform, so you're right next to Bridal Falls and you can see Niagara Falls. So this is our first view. We're gonna wander around here and check things out. And if you look down here, this is Horseshoe Falls. This is the best look that we can get right now, but you'll notice that the boat is down there with blue.
That's the Canadian, isn't it?
No, the blue one's US.
Oh, I guess for the flag.
So the US, yeah, it has the US flag on it. That's for the US side. And then if you look over, way over there, the boat's out there a little ways right now, but the Canadians have red rain jackets on, so they come back around here also. So when we're on the Canadian side, we'll take that tour. And on the US side, we'll be taking this tour right here. So they come right up to the falls. That's got to be a navigation nightmare. Trying to keep the boat right there and you get all wet when you go on those tours. So on the far end over there, on that side, that's Canada. And so they are taking an elevator down to a viewpoint there, just like we can do on this side and view Bridal Falls. In this case, they're viewing Horseshoe Falls. So you can't necessarily see a lot of the Horseshoe Falls anyway because it's so much mist, but we are just standing on the side looking at it right now. All right, this is another view here, a little closer with the boat down there straight down from us. So we are riding around the bike path. This is the trail around the rim. You can see the river on this side of us. There's so much along the river here. We are going out on this path to three little islands called the Three Sisters. It's amazing how much this drops down in elevation. So we advance on the three little islands. Wow. We're coming down to the river's edge here.
Look at all that water.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of water out there. Look at that.
Wow. What that is that on the Canadian?
Yep. So we are looking across over to Canada right now. They do have parking for RVs in this back lot, but I'm guessing you have to get here pretty early or on a weekday, otherwise all these lots will fill up. We were looking down on the launch point for the Maid of the Mist, and they've got this nice little area down here you can walk around when you're down there, and there leaves another boat headed for Horseshoe Falls. Tickets for the Maid of the Mist are $28.25 for adults, and children are $17.75. That's 6 through 12-year-olds. If you want to just go to the observation deck, it's $1.25. And then over here to the left of the ticket booth is the Maid of the Mist store. Hey, who wants a postcard? So we paid for our tickets to go to the Maid of the Mist, and they gave us a postcard we can send to somebody. Isn't that pretty nice? So we are working our way up to the tower. This is the observation tower where you can look up towards Horseshoe Falls. And this is where the elevator is. So this is another view of the Horseshoe Falls. And right here to our left is the other falls that we were looking at earlier that has the elevator going down to the bottom and then you hike out to it. We're going to go take Maid of the Mist voyage up to the falls there, see how wet we can get. Getting our rain jacket.
Hello, how you doing?
Thank you. Look, everybody all ready to get wet. So there's the American Falls. Look at that, how high up that is. That is like, whoa. We haven't even left yet.
American Horseshoes over there.
Yeah. So we're heading from that right here. We're going to head way back over there where Horseshoe Falls are. Well, we have our rain gear on.
Maid of the Mist.
Maid of the Mist, yep. We're going to go take it.
I don't think it's rain gear, it's waterfall gear.
And we showered last night.
Oh man, we didn't have to shower.
Yeah, we wasted a shower in the RV. There's the observation deck that we were just up on, and we took the elevator all the way down to there. And then we wandered on over down to the shack over there to get our cool rain gear. So now we're just like everyone else. We're blue. We're Smurfs, yep. And remember, the Canadians are red. All right, here is the other experience, the cave. You go up there and you can stand right there next to that rock. They said all the water comes pouring off that onto you. Feels real good, someone told us. The attendant told us the best place to go is the bottom left of the boat. Not as many people, so we are right up front. And if you look here,
Hands and feet inside the boat.
everybody up
And do not
there.
stand on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck.
And we are the only ones down here, really. So this is our experience. We are going into the fall. It might just get a little bit wet. Look at that nice pretty rainbow over there. Look at us. It is windy and just a little wet. Whew. I have a raincoat on besides this plastic thing, and I can feel the water going right through the raincoat, so I think we've got enough water. Whew. You can hardly see the upper portion of the falls. Wow. Looks like drinking a little bit of lake water here. Look up there. Look up at the top of the falls. That's how close we are. I'm wiping off the land. Whoa! That is a lot of water. Well, I think we've come as far as we're going to come. We go back. On my left right over here is Canada. Well, was that fun?
Yeah, that was pretty fun. Now it's just cold.
Yeah, now we're all wet.
The
So,
water, the rainbows were wonderful.
Yeah.
Wow.
okay, well, that was a lot of fun.
Yes,
we
that was
really enjoyed
cool.
ourselves.
I love waterfalls and I love rainbows. So put those together and I was like in heaven. So
Yep, Yep. So
This is for lovers, Niagara Falls.
you definitely need to come and at least do
Ow.
do something.
There's so many free things to do. I mean, a lot of times you like go somewhere and you can't even look over the edge, but this you can look and experience and everything. I mean, you know, yeah, there's the Maid of the Mist, and it does cost. And
yeah, we chose to go on the Maid of the Mist, and we were going to do the other one also, but we just got here. It's now 6 o'clock, and they're closing at 6 o'clock. So it's like, and we have an hour drive back to where we were.
And Tansy will be upset if we don't go home.
Yeah, so we're going to just call it quits. So thanks for coming along with us. We really enjoyed it.
It was really fun.
It was definitely a cool view.
Yes.
Yep. At some point in their life, they should. So thank you for coming along, and we'll just plan on seeing you guys down the road somewhere else or on our next video. So take care.